In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Bing AI toolbar feature on your web browser. So let's get started right away. Now, as we have already established, the Bing AI toolbar is only available on the Microsoft Edge browser. Go ahead and open up your Edge browser. Now, if you already see the Bing toolbar at the right side, underneath the close button, then this is enabled by default. In order to access the enabling and disabling feature, just click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. You can now see the app and notification settings menu. From this menu, just click on Bing Chat. And now you'll see the show Bing Chat option. Just toggle this button off. And the Bing Chat menu will disappear from the top right corner. If you want to enable it, you can once again activate this button. And this will once again activate the Bing AI chat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable and disable the Bing AI chat on your web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.